High Court in the Indian state of Karnataka has conducted a hearing after a cricket celebration in the city of Bengaluru triggered a stampede. The council claims the incident was an act of criminal negligence, leaving 11 people dead and at least 30 injured. All victims were below the age of 40, one as young as 13. A large crowd had flocked to the Chinnaswamy Stadium to celebrate the maiden Indian Premier League title win for the city's cricket team. Some 300,000 people turned up for members of the Royal Challengers Bengaluru as they paraded on their victory bus to the stadium. Chaos soon ensued as people without passes reportedly tried to push their way in. And more, Rebecca Bundhun joins us live from Mumbai. Rebecca, that hearing, what else was discussed?
The petitioner's lawyer told the Karnataka High Court that this was an act of criminal negligence. Now, the state told the court that some 250,000 people had gathered around the stadium and this had been unexpected, and it blamed this on free entry being publicised. Now, the state government also told the court that it was working on standard operating procedures for crowd control and to respond to any such incidents in future. The court issued a notice to the state government, and there's going to be another hearing on Tuesday. But there is this blame game that's going on now among officials, with the police, according to local media reports, having objected to this event being held on Wednesday and suggesting that it should in fact be held on Sunday, when emotions had cooled down a bit around the team's victory in the IPL tournament. But local media report that the Royal Challengers Bengaluru pushed for this event to go ahead and did go ahead with it, which is partly to blame for this tragedy. The central government ruling party is also putting blame on the state government in the city in Karnataka and in Bengaluru, saying that they just simply weren't prepared for this event and the number of people that turned up, and it's blaming it on them.
Rebecca, as you mentioned, moves made to ensure that they might be more prepared in the future. That's not going to be appeasing those who have lost family to this deadly stampede.
Yes, and there's a lot of public anger around this, people really feeling that this is something that could have been prevented. The state government in Karnataka has been very apologetic. It's ordered a magisterial probe into the stampede, which will take 15 days to complete. The team, the Royal Challengers Bengaluru, that won that tournament and organised the event, they've announced compensation of 1 million rupees, which is just under $12,000 for the families of those who were killed in this stampede. But clearly that isn't enough. There's huge anger. There are also questions being raised about why the felicitation ceremony still continued, albeit it was shortened after the stampede. But there are also wider questions, and this is renewed calls for just generally for there to be a better system, better policy, regulation when it comes to large events taking place in India, when you do get huge crowds. Earlier this year, 30 people, or at least 30 people, were killed in a stampede at the Kumbh Mela religious gathering in the north of India. So this is not the first time that India has seen this kind of incident, and there are certainly calls for more to be done to prevent these kind of things taking place.
Rebecca Bundhun there reporting live from Mumbai on a Karnataka High Court hearing. Of course, the hearing, as Rebecca mentioned, has been adjourned till Tuesday next week.